Hi everybody, Jeremy here from Video Editor Studio, and today I'm gonna share with you how to create a typewriter effect in Davinci Resolve 17. Let's check it out. Alright, so in Davinci Resolve 17 right now, we're on the edit page, and I'm gonna go over to the effect library down to titles, and here I'm gonna take the text plus and drag it directly on our timeline. Now we're just gonna need to keyframe something right here in our inspector. It's gonna be the write on. So we're gonna bring the cursor here to 1 second because I want the animation to last 1 second. I'm gonna drop a first keyframe right here on the write on, and then we're gonna go to the frame 0, and we're gonna then bring the write on to 0. And we have now a keyframe at 0 and a keyframe at 1 second, and as you can see now, it's just changing the value of the write on from 0 to 1, which create that typewriting effect. Now to go a step further, we're just gonna change the text to Davinci Resolve, and I'm gonna change the font here to Time New Roman because I think it's just gonna look quite nice. Let's play it. Perfect, I'm happy with that. One thing that I would recommend is that you add a typewriter sound effect just below the animation to make it feel right. You can find it on YouTube, there is a bunch laying around, just download it from there. And here you go, that's how you create a typewriter effect in Davinci Resolve. You can download this preset by following the link down in the description below. And also if you want, we have a typewriting pack on our website with a bunch of different other options that you could use. I hope this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye! Speed up your workflow and create better videos using the pack available on our website, including titles, transition and templates, but only for Davinci Resolve. Get started today by downloading our free starter pack containing a compilation of 20 titles curated from our library. Link in the description below or at videoeditorstudio.com.